Quick PSA before you watch this video. There's a lot of blood, sweat, tears, and sparks flying all over the place. So watch at your expense. Up to you. There's really no blood. I mean, so far. I'm like halfway in the video right now, so this is Seth in the future talking. There's really no blood yet, and I hope there won't be. Anyways, here, skip to the video. Hello everybody, welcome back to another episode of What Can Go Wrong with my 350Z. Today, we are changing the shock mount bushings. Those are the bushings that come from this strut and connect to the hub assembly. When we were trying to change my coilovers, if you don't know, we installed BC Racing coilovers to this car. The video link is over there. And this was melted on the driver's side, so we just got replacement parts. We're lucky they had it in stock, so we're gonna try to change this out now, and then hopefully install the struts of the coilovers. We already had the springs installed, but yeah, we're gonna try to put these new ones back in. Alright, so the part we're talking about is literally focus. Okay. I'm just show you on this side. It's okay. So this bolt connects to the bushing between like this strut. It's inside of the hub assembly thing part that comes here. I don't know what this is called. It's called like a knuckle bushing or something. That one inside there. This side is fine, but the one on the other side is completely melted and it won't come off. It was giving us a hard time last time, so we're trying to take that off now. That's what happens when you have a 15-year-old car and everything is like rusted and old and bunk, so we're trying to take it out now. And we're off on one side. This is the easy side. This is the side that doesn't give you problems. This is the side that you want in your life. That side is the side that you don't want in your life. That side is poisonous. That side is hell. It doesn't come off. Oh, I'm taking off the top, the strut, the top mounts, nuts on the bottom right here. You can't see it. It's up here.
I'm going to shoot a couple controller, bro, with the strut on.
Really?
Yeah. What the hell is this tape on here?
So what he just did is basically he cut one side of the shock because it just doesn't come out. Now, this is cut loose. This is where the bushing is, and this is what wasn't coming out. Oh, it's coming out now.
What came off?
The bushing
Came off?
Yeah. But then the metal ring is still here. Okay, so there's a metal ring right here that slides into the sleeve. The new bushing comes with that, so you should take this one out as well when you're changing this, if you ever need to. I hope you never need to. You're gonna have to. That's the bushing. It's destroyed. Trash. This is a cut, broken strut. Okay, now we're gonna replace all of this. I took everything off here. I'm gonna start assembling the new one. On the other side, things aren't going so well. Are they?
What?
Are things going well? Alright, so I took off everything on this side. I'm gonna start assembling the new one, which is right here. So for these top, these are the adjustable dampenings. They do give you an extension for the 350, but then for this you have to like go into your trunk and drill a hole for like to find a fitting for this. I'm really not in the mood to try to do that, so I'm just gonna, and I don't really play with my settings a lot. This is just a daily driver car for now, so I'm gonna pre-adjust them for the dampening, and then install everything. But if in your case, if you want to keep changing the dampening, I guess, then you can put this on and drill a hole through your trunk. I don't think it's that big of a deal. You can drill a hole through your trunk and be able to adjust your dampening with this extension. I'm not going to do that. Okay. Update. This is a good update. I'm done with this side, and it's new and nice and coilover-y fully. I got the springs, the strut, the side's full. Now the other side, we're still struggling with it, and I'm just trying to push out the bushing with this tool. I'll show you in a second, and hopefully we'll get that side done too, and then we should be good to go. This is the thing we have going on here. The bushing's inside there. This tool is pressing it out, and the bushing is going to come out from over here. We have some concerns that this is not safe, but who cares? This tool will be pushing out the bushing, and hopefully it'll come out from this side, and then we should be good to go. So the man, the engineer himself, has figured out a genius idea. This is an air gun. It's going through an extension underneath my bumper, going all the way across here, bolt it up to this. This will turn, bushing will be pushed out, and bushing will come out.
Ready?
Go.
So I showed him what to do, and now my little apprentice here is struggling here.
The air tool did not work?
Yeah, the air tool wasn't strong enough. My compressor is really small and not too great, so just, you know, come on, work harder, man.
You know how hard this is?
That was the face you made when you lifted your wheel and said it was so light.
We don't have that video anymore.
We did not have that.
That video was in the crashed SD card.
Alright, let's switch up. Here, hold it.
That's disgusting. Why does anyone ever have to do that? That's so hard. Anyways, we're just taking a break, switching up. You know what? This is such a stupid process. I'm gonna record it when we're done, okay? I'll see you in a couple seconds when I'm like all in sweat and I'm all wet and it's disgusting. I'll see you in a few seconds. Remember when I said no blood? I hurt myself. I got a little boo-boo. I need stitches. I'm going to the hospital. No, I'm not. Let me just go down. Another update. This car manages to piss me off every time. More every time that I work on it. So the tactic that we were trying before kind of broke all the extensions because there was so much tension. And now it's kind of stuck where we can't even put this on it to take it off, like take off the clamp. And now we're gonna try to bring down the whole hub assembly, and see if we can have enough space to at least put this on so we can take the clamp off. Then after hammer it out. And it's just been so exhausting, and it's such a big hassle. This is like 10 hours later, I think. Is it 10 hours later? I don't even know. It's like 8 hours later. And I'm fed up with this car, but finally managed to somehow get the bushing out. A whole bunch of stuff went wrong. A whole bunch of stuff always goes wrong. I'm not even gonna explain it. It's super dumb, super stupid. Nobody ever has to deal with this bullshit. Anyways, I'll do a walk around before this video ends, but that's all of me talking. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next video. Peace out. If you haven't subscribed, consider subscribing down below, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out. Blood, sweat, and tears, and şeyini demek ya. Şu angle grind'ında kestiğinde spark değil mi? Quick, this is